Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to day number 193 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, we are shooting a one-year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank, and we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together and we're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. All right. So if you guys have just no idea what's going on, go back and watch these previous videos from this channel so you can kind of get up to speed on where we started versus where we are right now. All right. So let's go ahead and hop right into this video. We're on day number 193, taking you back here to the My Legion Secret back office. Okay. And if you don't know what My Legion Secret is, it's an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is going to determine how many accounts that you have. And with My Legion Secret, they allow you to have multiple accounts. So you can literally sign up underneath you can sign up today and then start signing up underneath your own account, and you can stack those accounts on top of each other, which is pretty cool. So you can get as many accounts as you like. Just a little bit about myself and My Legion Secret. I've been with My Legion Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I mean, I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. And these leads do, they do work. So I would recommend you guys getting started. The only thing about this traffic, guys, this is cold traffic. Okay. So these people have no idea who you are. They have no idea what you're promoting. Okay. So they do have to get warmed up to your offer. Okay. So this is not like a hot list that are just ready, just buyers ready to go. Okay. They're going to have to get warmed up to the idea of what you're promoting in front of them. All right. Now, the cool thing about this My Legion Secret traffic, it is targeted business opportunity traffic. Okay. So these people care about making money online. Okay. So if you try to go get a health and fitness offer or some kind of cooking offer or something like that and send it to this traffic, it's not going to convert as well as you send in the right type of offer to this traffic, because these people care about making money. All right. So with my 8 accounts, guys, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out my emails. Okay, which is pretty cool, right? I can come in and spend about 5 to 10 minutes sending out this business and get paid every single week by doing it. Okay. Also, with this, guys, it's super easy to do. The emails are very easy to send out, and I'm going to show you guys how to send out an email and how easy it is to do it. All right. So there's going to be two different ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay. Number one is promoting My Legion Secret itself. Okay. You can literally come on here and just promote the My Legion Secret program and earn commissions and make money that way. Okay. And you can build a business doing just that, just promoting My Legion Secret. So you could create an email, insert this affiliate link into the email, click send, that email will go out and you will get traffic. Also, you can go to affiliates, click on the promo tools right here. And then also you can come down here. There's going to be about 10 different email swipes that's going to be available for you. Okay. So all you have to do is send these emails. Okay. So you can just take one of these emails right here and just click on import it. This is going to import it into the mailing system. So it's going to take you into the mailing system. Go ahead and click on this right here. And then it's going to load up those emails for you. And you come down here and everything is already pre-populated for you. So you already got a subject line ready to go. And they also give you an email swipe that you can use. It's already ready. Okay. So you can literally just scroll all the way down, make sure that everything looks good. And as you can see, we have our affiliate link right here. And then all we have to do is click on perfect timing. And this email is ready to go out. So all you have to do is come here and click on send. Okay. What's going to happen is this email is going to go out. A lot of people are going to look at it, and some people are going to click on this link. And then this link is going to take them to our landing page, and our landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. Our job as affiliate marketers is to get people to our opportunity. Okay. So all we have to do is make sure that we have a link, a clickable link that's ready to go in our emails. That way our traffic can click on this link. Okay. And the more people that we have clicking on this is the more subscribers and the more sales that we are going to get. All right. So that's going to be one way to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay. The other way to make money with My Legion Secret is by promoting an affiliate network. Okay. The affiliate networks offers. Okay. So an affiliate network could be anywhere from ClickBank. It could be Warrior Plus, JV Zoo, Max Bounty, just to name a few. Okay, those are the networks that I am a part of and that I know that do work. Okay, now we're promoting ClickBank for the sake of this video because the offers on ClickBank work very well with this traffic from My Legion Secret. So that's why we're using this for this challenge. All right. So those are going to be the two popular ways to make money. There's going to be three ways to send out an email. Okay. Number one is to create an email. Okay. You can literally create your own email and insert the affiliate link for whatever program that you're promoting, whatever business opportunity offer that you're promoting, and then send that email with your affiliate link and send that out. Okay, just like you do if you were promoting My Legion Secret. The second way is going to be using some kind of email AI service or chat GPT. You can literally just go tell it to create you an email based on the offer that you're promoting, which is pretty cool. The third way is going to be using the free email swipes that come with the offer from the vendor, okay, on ClickBank, right? So if you guys go to clickbank.com, it is free to get started. That's something that you can get started in under 5 minutes, and you can start getting to those access to those offers right away. Okay, and you can start using those offers. All right. So there's about four different offers that I would recommend on ClickBank, and they're going to be probably the first four offers. Okay, and most of those offers do have free pre-written email swipes, about 20 of them. Okay, so you can literally just grab one of those offers and then start sending out all 20 emails that are in that offer. Okay, and I'm gonna show you what one of those offers look like because I use those offers. Okay, I use those email swipes. So basically, you can go right here. And as you can see, this is one of the offers, one of the emails that are similar to what's on ClickBank. So they give you a subject line, okay, and then they also give you a pre-written email, and all you have to do is just grab the subject line, paste it in, grab the email and paste that in, and then create your clickable link, which is right here. And once our prospects click on this link, it's going to take them to our affiliate page. And our affiliate page, again, is going to do all the selling and telling for us. So all we have to do is just get our prospect to the offer. Okay. So, which is pretty easy. So that's how you send out an email in the mailing system by using one of those three ways to do it. And then also you can pick which, offer that you want to promote, whether it's My Legion Secret or just pick an affiliate network that already has business opportunity offers. And then you just mix that together with My Legion Secret and just start creating those emails and send those out. I mean, now you can send out one email every 24 hours. Okay. That's just another cool thing about My Legion Secret why I love them so much is that I can get in front of traffic every single day on demand. Okay. And I can promote whatever business opportunity offer is out there and I can test it to see if it works. Okay. And I've done lots and lots of testing, guys, to see what offers do work and what doesn't work. Okay. So send me a message, send me a comment, let me know what you think about it, or if you have any questions about that, about which offers that do work the best, and I can give you some recommendations. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here to ClickBank. Like I said, go ahead and go to clickbank.com. It's free to get started. There's no link or anything like, I'm not trying to sell you on ClickBank. You don't have to use it. That's just what I'm using for this challenge. But you can use Warrior Plus offers, JV Zoo, and things like that. And those offers work really good. Okay. Those networks work really good. So today is November 6th. As you can see down here at the bottom right, it is November 6th here. So you know that this is not some kind of fake screenshot or anything like that or fake account. Everything matches up and lines up here. So what I like doing is the last 30 days so you can see the algorithm. This is going to be the algorithm, guys, from months 3 to 6 if you were to get started, okay? And you can start making money consistently. Now, this comes in every month, okay? Every single month, okay? This income will come in, okay? Now, another sweet thing about ClickBank, and why I love them so much as well, is that they pay every week, okay? Every Friday, okay? So tomorrow I will get a check from ClickBank, okay? Just from the work that I'm doing, just for spending 5 to 10 minutes a day sending out emails. Okay. I get paid every single week for doing that. Okay. Which is pretty awesome. Okay. So ClickBank does pay. You can do either direct deposit or check, however you want to do it. But they do pay you pretty quick. I like just doing direct deposit because I can hook my bank account up to it, and then it'll hit my bank account pretty quick on that Friday. Okay. So just wanted to show you what this looks like. As you can see, this has been the algorithm from months 3 to 6. This is kind of what it looks like. You're going to get sales back to back. You're going to miss days as well. So as you can see, we missed a day. We missed 2 days right here. We missed another 2 days. Missed a day. But right here, we got 4 sales in a row, which is really good. We missed a day, and then we came back and we got 5 sales in a row. Okay. And then we missed a day. We didn't get a sale today. Okay. So this is kind of the algorithm, guys, just kind of hit and miss. The whole idea here, guys, is to send these emails out long enough to where you're going to get sales every single day. Okay. And that happens within this year. All right. So I just wanted to show that with you guys. We are in month number 6. We're still kind of in the beginning part of the month of month number 6, which is halfway through this challenge, which we have another 6 months to go. So we got a lot of ground to cover still. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what it would look like for you if you were to start a month between, if you were to send out emails and stick with it between month 3 and to month 6. I did notice that things didn't take off for me till months between months 3 and 5 is when it starts taking off for me. Okay. And then that's when I started to notice a spike in sales and things start to be a little bit more consistent. But as you send out these emails, guys, as long as you're sending them out every day, you're going to get paid every single week like clockwork. Okay. These sales, the way this algorithm looks, it's just nonstop. Okay. So this is going to come in every single day, every other day, every 2 days. It's going to be sales coming in consistently as long as you're sending out emails. All right. And if you could use the extra income, could an extra, $500 to $5,000 a month help you in income? Okay. And if you stick with this thing over a year, 2 years, 3 years, okay, you could be at another level with this thing and start making the income that you desire. All right. So I just want to run that by you guys and show you the results. I've already sent out my emails tonight. So as you may know, I come in every single day and I send out my emails and I'll talk about them the next night. Okay. So let me show you guys how to get started. Just come on over here. Under this video that I'm shooting, there's going to be a link right here that says MLGS True Freedom. This tiny URL link. Click on that link. It's going to take you to the Mileage and Secret landing page. And this is where you're going to go get signed up. And as you can see, there's tons of people making money with this service. And they're just promoting Mileage and Secret. Okay. There's other people on here making money from Warrior Plus, as you can see right here. Okay. There's people making money from different networks or just promoting Mileage and Secret. So I would recommend getting started because I'm not the only one making money. Okay. So I don't want you to miss out. So click on right here where it says join MLGS. Pay your $60, one-time charge of $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer. I would recommend you guys getting started right away. Okay. If you guys do happen to get started, send me an email or comment below. Let me know that you did sign up. That way I know which email to look for. And I'll send you guys some bonus emails that I use personally that I use to get, to start getting a faster turnaround on getting sales. Okay. So send me a message if you do want those emails. I'll send those out to you for free. Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you. I'm going to end this video on that note. Just wanted to show you how easy it is to send out an email in the mailing system, and I also wanted to show you the results. Also, please like and subscribe to this channel. Like this video for me. Comment below. It just helps the algorithm and helps get this out to other people who could be looking for ways to make money online. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note, and I will come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.